Are you losing money on your rental property? Here are 4 ways how you can turn it around and make it profitable, build wealth, and generate cash flow. Here's what you do. Number 4, make sure you always update your property. Over time, it gets old and it doesn't look as attractive. You do want to update it, renovate everything that's needed in order for it to be attractive to most tenants out there. Number 3, make sure you control your expenses. Shop for better insurance and make sure your maintenance and everything else that you do every month is controlled and the costs are low. Number 2, poor property management. It's very important to have a very good property management that cares about your interests as much as they care about theirs. And they stay on top of the property and make sure the tenant is happy. And number 1 is making sure it does not stay vacant for a very long time. Be reasonable with the amount of rent you're asking and find a tenant right away in order to make it profitable. Any questions or if you're looking for more real estate advice, follow me, Mike and Team Tchobanian.